In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this site can't be reached while trying to upload or connect links to Google Drives. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are using a web browser to access Google Drive and you're getting this, then you might want to try and download Google Drive app from Google Play Store and see if this fixes your issue. In most cases, this should be able to fix your issue. However, if you're using an app but you still get the same issue, then try and uninstall Google Chrome app and this should now work. So in most cases, this fixes the issue. But should this not still work and you are using the app, then you need to troubleshoot your Google Drive app. To do that, you need to go to settings, and from settings go to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Search for Drive, and if you tap on it here, go to force stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then you want to go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay, and then clear all data. Then restart your smartphone. Once you have restarted your smartphone, now if you open Google Drive, log in with your Gmail account, and now this should work without any issue. However, if you still encounter an issue at this point, then you want to check and see that you are not using any VPN or proxy app on your phone. If that's the case, turn it off and this should fix your issue. However, should this still not work, then check and see if we have any update for Google Drive, either through Google Play Store or App Store, and then update and search for your app. So just search for Drive. Check and see that you have the latest version of Google Drive app. In case you have an update, update your app to the latest version. Once you're done, now turn on your internet or data, and now you shouldn't have any issue with using Google Drive app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.